Your fascia is holding the memories that your conscious mind may have filed away, but your body is still processing. It's holding the physical shape of your emotional experiences. And for those of us with trauma histories, especially those with developmental trauma or high control trauma, our fascia has been in protection mode for so long that it literally doesn't know how to release. The tension feels like safety because it's the only state our body recognizes. And in a minute, I'll explain why this fascial holding shows up most intensely right as you're trying to sleep and how it creates a vicious cycle that keeps you caught between exhaustion and alertness. But first, let's connect these dots directly to your sleep struggles. So, how does all this connect back to sleep? Let's connect the dots between fascial holding patterns and the sleep struggles we talked about in our last episode. Remember when we talked about sleep requiring a state of surrender, of vulnerability, of feeling safe enough to literally lose consciousness? Well, that surrender isn't just psychological, it's physical. It requires your muscles to relax, your breathing to deepen, and crucially, your fascia to soften enough to allow all of that to happen.